Good morning. My name is Titus from Charisma Engineering. We are located in the Long Enterprise Road, industrial area, Nairobi. We are both importers and also fabricators of stainless steel products. In front of us, we have a combined cooker with the two burners and double a fryer with the 10 liters each. The double fryer is automated, as you can see. This is the switch to power on. We have also the control panel. This is the one that regulates the temperatures and also the heat that you need. The combined has also got a secret deck oven, as you can see, for cooking soft cakes, breads. The oven has got two trays, as you can see. This is the first tray, this is the second tray, and also a handle that you use to open the door. The combined, it is very efficient, very kitchen efficient. As you can see, our work is smooth. We also built it with the cast grills. This is the important one. As you can see, these are important grills. We don't use the local grills. And also the burners are very efficient. Our duct work, our pipe work is also efficient. As you can see, our work is good. This is the damper where you put your chips after the chips are fried. Welcome to Charisma Engineering. This is the home of fabrication. We sell this one at very efficient price. The oven goes at 25,000, and also the whole combined we can give you at roughly 120,000. Welcome to Charisma Engineering.